The objective of this lesson is to find the product of the sum and difference of two terms. The term conjugate refers to a pair of sum and difference of two terms. For example, in the expression 3x plus 1, its conjugate would be the same numbers, the same terms of 3x and 1. The only difference would be their signs. So the conjugate of that would be 3x minus 1. P minus 7. The conjugate of that would be, you got it, P plus 7. All they are just opposites of that pair. 5a plus 4b. The conjugate of that would be 5a minus 4b. So now that we know what conjugates are, when you're multiplying them, sure, you could use FOIL because you have two binomials and use the first, outer, inner, last. However, you're going to find that outer and inner are going to cancel out. So there's no need to even multiply the O and the I because the O and the I will always cancel out. All you need to multiply when you notice that you have conjugates is the F and the L. Let me show you what I mean. So using the FOIL method, we're going to multiply these pair of conjugates. So we have x plus 3 times x minus 3. So first, outer, inner, last. That's x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. Take a look at outer and inner. Notice they are opposites of each other. They cancel out. They don't exist anymore. All you have left is just simply x squared minus 9. All you have left is your first and last term. So whenever you have conjugates, you never need to do the O and the I because they will always cancel out. Just multiply the first and the last and you have your answer. So the answer is x squared minus 9. Now, let's multiply some conjugates, and we're just going to do it verbally, real quick. So multiplying first, 5p times 5p, that equals 25p squared. Now let's multiply last. Positive 2 times negative 2, that equals negative 4. So the answer is 25p squared minus 4, as simple as that. Let's do another one. Multiplying the first, 3y times 3y, that equals 9y squared. Let's multiply last. Positive 7 times negative 7, that equals negative 49. So your answer is 9y squared minus 49. Let's do another one. First with first, 8x times 8x, that's going to equal 64x squared. Let's multiply last. Positive 1 times negative 1, that's negative 1. So the answer is 64x squared minus 1. Let's do one more. Don't let those fractions scare you. You can do it. What is 1/2 times 1/2? Well, if you multiply the numerators, 1 times 1 is 1. If you multiply the denominators, 2 times 2 is 4. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. You have two p's, so that's going to be 1/4 p squared. Now let's multiply last. 6q times negative 6q, that's going to be negative 36q squared. So the final answer is 1/4 p squared minus 36q squared. And there you have it, multiplying conjugates. Not bad at all.